Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review another watch. So what kind of watch we will review today? Surprise! It is an smartwatch. Okay, so let's get started. Ta-da! So this is the sport watch, Chinese made in China, black and Senbono. Its brand name is Senbono. Okay, don't worry about the brand. I have seen the review. Review is pretty good. They are good. The distributor is Shenzhen, Senbono Electric Technology Companies Limited. So it's come from Shenzhen anyway, from China. So I spent like 110 dirham. Sorry, I spent. Let's see how much is it in dollar. It is like $30. $30 for this watch. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Like an Apple Watch will open this way. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Whoa! This is a nice looking watch, really. As you guys know, I'm a watch enthusiast. So that is a nice looking watch. I cannot deny. This looks really nice, well made, very good watch. But what's inside the bag? Let's have a look. So there is a charging cable, and then there is this manual. Okay, so that's all you got. You get one charging cable and one manual. Okay, so manual is required because it's a Chinese made watch, so you'll need to depend on this app for pairing and everything. Okay, so let's see. First of all, what I will do, I will output. Damn, it says output. I will just go through this thing. So it says Smartwatch 22. So it is 22. It's pretty easy to open this strap. Looks like they made it easy so that you can change your strap. That is good. That is plus mark. And then there is this QC pass, blah blah, many things. And then please peel off the frame before using the smartwatch. Okay, I peel it off. And then tips: please full charge before using the smartwatch. Okay, sorry. Oh, look at that. It looks good. Look at that. It's really looking good, kind of. It's a beautiful watch to look at for sure. So that's all you get. Alright. Now let's scan it for Europe. Here we go. Okay. Okay. So the app name is DaFit. It has a 4.3 rating and 239k reviews. Holy moly. That is a nice watch, man. I even Google Watch. I mean, this Wireless doesn't have that good many reviews. Okay, that is nice app. The Fit app. Okay, this is really good app. Google see how good is that. Moyong Limited. Moyong. So you agree while using the app. Allow the feed to find connect to determine the relative position of nearby. Allow because it's required for pairing. Allow. Okay. Now it's looking for the device. So what I will do, I will just that is open. I think that is the power. Usually that is the power button. No. Open. Oh yes. See. So it's open. Holy smoke! Can you imagine that? Damn, it's a nice. My goodness, just look at that. The resolution is like super sharp resolution. It's like AMOLED display. Can you see that one? Holy smoke. But the app already crashed. Okay, let me pair. Okay, I did pair. So probably it's required some permission. Okay. Holy smoke. Call logs not allowed. It requires many permission. Physical activities allow. Microphone, calendars okay allow. Camera allow. Contacts allow. File and media, I'm not sure really. Microphone okay allow. Phone allow. SMS no, can't. So that's it then. I don't know why he needs the okay gender male January 1 19 whatever, just put this, just default. No, oh, it has a sleep monitor also. Damn. See, that is nice looking watch. My goodness. Holy smoke. This is one good watch. At least the display is like 110 dirham. I'm okay. Like they have a sleep monitor. They have step. The calorie. I think they also have this heart rate monitor. Okay, I'll check my heart rate monitor. I'm wearing this watch now. Damn, this is quality is really good. You see the straps are looks like of silicone. So silicone strap, very like soft, very good. I recommend you guys buy this one. This is like Senbono sports watch. Senbono. Okay, there, and the model is K56 Pro 02. It's a Pro K56 Pro 02. And the fit app really like easily just paired with it. It's so super easy. See, now what I will do, it has many watch faces as far as I remember. Watch faces 6, many watch faces. The face gallery, go there, you can select the faces recommended. Anyway, I don't, you can just decide what kind of watch face you will use. Find device, have notification, alarm, shutter, many other things. Anyway, I don't have to. Oh, you can also upgrade. The software is up to date, so that means it has an update also. Damn, this is good. So okay, let's monitor the heart. Holy moly, I'll see like what's my blood pressure now. So it's monitoring. So my heart rate is monitoring. Heart rate zone is 9. What about this blood pressure? Can you monitor the blood pressure? It can monitor heart zone. Seems okay. 89, 86. I measured with my brown thingy and it was okay. I think it's not like, you know. Oh, so you can add the Google Fit here also. Okay, let's add the Google Fit. Either way, it is a night watch. So I also link the Google Fit with it. So that's it. So there you can do the heart. So that is the shortcut button here. I think shortcut button or no, or just two button, and then there is down. What does it mean? So okay, let's do. Oh, so SPU2. So you can also measure the SPU2. So that is written like normal range, high range. It's monitoring, measuring. Well, that's a nice watch. I recommend you to buy. And please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for such kind of more videos. It's 99%. Very good, pretty good. Right, and also this is like BP, so systolic. So this is monitoring my blood pressure. I just measure my blood pressure in brown. I will check how much accurate this one is. I had like 120 by 76, I think. So here I'll see like how much it come out. Okay, let's see. It's near 131 by 72. It's near. It's not that like accurate, but it's accurate. All right, bye bye guys, take care. You know, this thing is accurate. Looks like I'm not sure like what is that, like the how should I say this, it's not a medical device or whatever, but seems like it's okay. It's not that bad. Okay, and I like this watch face. Bye bye everyone, take care.